Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Oh dear.
Sammy, you're so quiet.
I'm a cowboy. Look. Irene, there's a class Irene that we got today.
Today at class? And school. Oh, you poor thing.
You did that?
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I'm glad to.
What happened?
Yes, something happened. It's alright, Jess. We all understand.
I'm on birth control starting now. We're not lesbians. We are perfectly straight people.
With friends and guy friends.
Yes, guy friends.
We like the guys.
Yes, because...
No. I slipped on it.
Why do you have so much popcorn?
Popcorn strings for a Christmas tree. Duh.
Oh my god!
We're so retarded. No. Isn't she fun to watch? She comes out naturally like that. Say hello to Jay!